Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be planning my social media content in the Good Habits Happy Planner. For today's planning, I'm going to use this Glam Girls sticker book from the Happy Planner. I think this is the first time I'm showing you guys this sticker book. To be really honest, I'm not a huge fan of these stickers, but I found it on clearance for $7 and there are some really nice functional ones here, such as these. So yeah, I thought I would use that. And let's get started. Okay, I think I need it to be this way just to see the placement of all the stickers. And the ones that I want to use are these stilettos. And I also want to use this washi tape gold one that goes along with it. So yeah, let's get started. I don't know if I need to put the washi tape first or put these stilettos first. I think I'm gonna put the washi tape first actually, just to frame these lines here. And last week I didn't upload a plan with me for my social media planner because few things were not working out the way I set it up last time with you guys, and I just wanted to test out another method which did not require too much of pre-planning, so I didn't upload. I'll update you guys as I'm laying down the stickers and all of that. So yeah, this washi tape is from Happy Planner as well. I found them in Dollarama for a change. I don't know how they ended up there. Usually you don't find Happy Planner stuff there, but got it at a really good price. I think I got 7 washi tapes for $5, 7 or 8 washi tapes for $5. But the problem with buying in packs is that you don't like all the ones that come in there. So there are some like font ones, which I'm not a huge fan of such kind of washi tapes, you know, the one that has quotes or some words on them. I prefer designs such as these. So this goes over here. And if you don't go on it if you don't give in too much pressure, it will not cut the sheet. In case you're interested, I found that this is the best way to get neat lines for your washi tapes when you lay them down. Okay, we have our washi tape there, and now let's bring in these stickers. I wish we had 7 of them to put from the same color, but there aren't. So for Monday I laid it down there because there are no lines in this planner and I don't know if I can get it straight. So another one would go over here. I think I'll actually put a larger one here, and then for the other side I can put 3 stickers because there are 5 of them. And I think I'm gonna put it over here to this. Great. It's actually not looking as bad as I expected it to. And it's a bit difficult to plan in this particular planner because of the colors. They are almost everywhere, so the stickers I choose should kind of go along with it. So yeah, and this one I would want to put it over here, and then another one would go over here. I think this is a great way to line up the stickers because horizontally there are not many lines, and when I'm trying to line it up between the columns for each days, it's kind of lays down straight, kind of not perfect, but it's fine. And then another one would go, let me just try putting it this way. from this side. We have this there. So we have all of our stilettos, and I don't know if I want to get in boxes in order to put the videos, because last week I did this and I went ahead and wrote down the videos or podcast episodes with you guys itself, but it didn't work out because I fell sick and I kind of switched videos around. So this week, the current week that we are in, what I did was I just put down all the videos that I wanted to film on the left side here, and then each day I'm just seeing, okay, which video shall I put it up, and then I'm going as per that. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing this week as well, but I do want to let's lay down the checklist. And for that I want to use this teacher's sticker book. This one, I really loved these checklists. It was part of a sticker kit that I had. I actually have blue ones as well. Let me just check if that would match. Again, from the leftovers of another kit. These ones. I'm just putting the leftovers on one of the label sheets just to organize them. I don't know if this is too blue, because the ones on the stilettos are teal. I don't think this matches actually. Let's go with the ones that are there in the teacher sticker book itself. So I wanted to use these ones. They are black, which is nice. It's pulling out of this color. And there are 3 of the teal ones, and then I have some peach ones as well, just to match it with these. So let's add them. For Monday, let's put it here. And these have, I think, 7 checklists, which is perfect. I have 7 things that I need to do for a video to go live. I've just distributed it among 7 parts, so it's easier for me to put it up. And this can go over here. I actually loved how neat this is. It's really nice, very organized, and yeah, but you know, let's try something different to see how it might look. Okay, we have that there, and then I'm gonna put this. I don't know if I want to put it at the bottom next to this or at the top. Let's put it at the top. Awesome. And then let's go with another peach one over here. And the blue one, where should we put it? I'm just gonna go ahead and put it at the bottom itself, because it's overlapping with the shoe there. And then another peach and a blue one. I'm gonna put this over here, and then our final checklist would go here. I actually want to flip these 2 stickers because there's a lot of teal going on one place, because they were like right next to each other. It didn't look that great. Yeah, I think this looks a lot better. Cool. We are done with the stickers here, and then let's start putting down our videos. And for that, again, I'm going to use some leftover stickers from the kits. I'm going to use this week and then to do. It's kind of working out that I put here, so I'm just going to follow the same thing. I'm going to put this week, and let's write down all the videos. The first thing that I have in my mind for next week is February monthly plan with me. It's so crazy that we are already like towards the end of first month in 2021. And then another one is TIB is the Ink Bucket Planner Feb monthly overview page. So I'm gonna put it as Feb overview. And then I also want to set up my word of the year with you guys in my planner. So I'm gonna write word of the year setup, and oops, I made a spelling mistake. Let me just grab my whiteout. I get questions about the whiteout that I use. It's just from like Dollarama, guys. This is not that great, but there are nice ones on Amazon that I recommend, which I was using when I was in India. So I'll leave a link to that in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Okay, so we have this here, and to go along with it, I'm uploading a podcast episode sharing about my word of the year, just explaining about what it means to me and how I want to use it and all that. If you just want a brief like introduction to it, I already have a podcast episode. I'll leave a link to it if you want to listen. So the podcast I'm just writing in red pen to like, instead of writing podcast, it's just like mine. Okay. So this just denotes, okay, I'm sharing my word of the year on my podcast episode. And then let's go back to the videos. So another video that's there in my mind is this one, like Happy Planner, social media plan with me. And then I have my 2 regular videos that I upload every week, which is weekly plan with me. And then another one is weekly overview. So I have made another spelling error here. I'm gonna write it after some time. So weekly overview, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that goes along fine. And then now let's just add a couple of things that I have to get done. I wish there was one more line here, just one extra line, because it would have been nice to put 3 priorities for the week, but that's okay. We have to make it work. One thing is that I want to work on my Feb goals for my business. So I want to do that. And then I also want to order stickers. I might be speaking too soon, but I feel like the yoga challenge is going really well, and I decided at the beginning of the month that if I do yoga on all the 30 days, I'm gonna purchase some stickers for myself. So I've just put it in this planner because it's kind of like for my business, because I put it on YouTube. So yeah, I think I'll be ordering some stickers. The one, I think it's from Pipsticks. So I'm really excited for that to come, because a lot of you from India watch my videos, and the same sticker book is available in India as well. So it'll be really nice to have something in common and plan. So we have that there. And regarding my, like, how are you making progress? I fill this at the end of the weekend. And once I do that, I put down my weekly focus. I feel that works out better. So just to show you guys, this is my last week's planner, and how I'm doing this, I just put down my washi tape in between to separate the video and the like things that I need to get done for that video. And then here at the bottom, I put down like some of the other to-do lists that I have to get it done on that particular day, which is nice. And as you can see, there will not be much on weekdays because I'm really busy during the weekdays, and weekends is when I work on my business apart from like filming videos. So you don't see much throughout the week. Yeah, I just used this spot to put down that particular day's to-do list. And I also want to show one more thing that I did was 2 weeks back I hit like 200 subscribers, so I put that down there just to highlight it. It was nice. Awesome. So yeah, we'll learn as and when we go. If this kind of design does not work out for me, because this was a little bit confusing for my brain and I really like how this thing is working out. If this design does not work for me, I think we might go back to, like, you know, dividing the boxes and making sure the videos are at the top and my list is at the bottom. So let me just write this weekly here. So yeah guys, I think we are done with setting up our social media planner for the upcoming week. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please make sure to subscribe. It would really help my channel. Give this video a thumbs up as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.